username on Facebook. Hey guys, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this video, I show you step by step how to change your username here on Facebook. People can find you here on Facebook. You can have your own username, your personalized name. In this video, I show you step by step. Do you like videos like this? There are already other related videos on the channel. Subscribe to the channel, like it. I'm always making videos to help you. So come on guys, I'm already on my Facebook page. You need to be on the correct profile to change or add your username. Clicking here above you, choose here. See all your profiles, which profile you want to change the username to. So I'm already on my profile, right? I'm going to click here on my profile picture and click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. In Settings, you'll see some options, but what you're looking for is here in this sidebar menu. Scroll down a little and you'll see the Page Setup option. You'll click on Page Setup, then click on Name, followed by View. In addition to the page name, your username will be visible here. People can easily find me here by typing facebook.com/mundopaiva. If you want to make a change, just click Edit, enter your new username, and make the change. Then click here at the bottom to save the changes. Got it? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more videos and tutorials. I'll sign off here. Take care, and may God bless you. Thanks everyone.